Hi, Dave Ramori here, Chief Revenue Officer at Future Technologies. And joining me today is Gary Hill, our Vice President of Solutions Architecture. Welcome, Gary.
Hey, good morning, Dave.
So, as you learned in our last segment, our Innovation Center is a place where customers can explore innovative network connectivity options, powering a variety of use cases and ecosystem partner solutions. So, this is really a work in progress. And if you've got a use case and you're not sure about proving it out or what the proper connectivity solution is for that use case, let us know and we'll be happy to put it together for you. So this Innovation Center will be located in our Atlanta campus in Suwanee, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta. And as you can see from the capabilities, I won't read off all the bullet points, but it's going to be a pretty capable center. And Gary, in our last podcast, you gave us a little bit of a teaser of what some of these use cases might look like. So I thought today you might give us a little bit more insight into exactly what these use cases are.
Yeah, thanks, Dave. Hey, it's great to join you for our second podcast, about the Future Tech Innovation Center. Like Dave said, on this podcast, we're going to highlight three use case areas in our ecosystem partners for remote expert, IoT sensors, and computer vision. So let's get started. Remote expert solutions provide an augmented reality AR-like experience that enables centralized experts to assist on-site or remote workers. AR solutions can leverage hands-free headsets like this RealWear HMT1, or they can use existing devices like smartphones and tablets to enable a see what I see experience with audio, video, and telestration. Librestream Onsite is an AR software solution that runs on all the devices mentioned earlier. It also includes the ability to create workflows for standardizing your operating procedures. And while completing a workflow, the field worker can connect via video to experts at the home office or even a supplier to answer questions and to confirm workflow steps. Pretty flexible. You can also make video and audio recordings of the session that can be saved for future reference or for training sessions. Now let's move on to our second use case, IoT sensors. FutureTech IoT in a Box is a turnkey IoT monitoring platform that uses sensors, communication gateways, cloud computing, along with mobile and web-based applications for monitoring and alerting many scenarios. We have over 400 sensor partners that can enable a wide range of solutions across multiple vertical industries. Here are just a few examples of the solutions we have available. And we're going to have several of these sensor solutions running in our Innovation Center for customers to review. Our IoT in a Box solution has been designed with the customer in mind, keeping everything as simple as possible to enable your rapid adoption of the technology. Setting up a new sensor only takes 3 steps. First, you activate the hardware in our cloud network. Second, you install the sensor at your monitoring point. No wires or cables are needed. And third, you start monitoring and setting up custom alerts in the mobile app. It's really that easy. On the left is a snapshot of the mobile monitoring app where you can review and manage all of your sensors. And on the right is an example of the alerting capability, which uses both text messaging and email. So Dave, the final use case area we're going to cover is now computer vision. Computer vision is a specialized area of machine learning that trains computers to mimic human visual system, which can then be used to automate many tasks like counting, reading, classifying, pattern detection of objects, events, and even streaming video. Computer vision has really matured rapidly in the past few years and is now able to solve many real-world challenges. FutureTech is partnered with Meg Computing to leverage their video analytics platform. The platform provides several out-of-the-box solutions for monitoring for things like personal protective equipment, here in this video, intrusion detection, space occupancy, and collision detection, just to name a few. The platform can run in the cloud, on the edge, or in a hybrid model, and can scale to meet the most demanding scenarios. Well, Dave, that wraps up our overview of the use cases. I hope our audience found this helpful. We'll be demonstrating these solutions in our new Innovation Center over the next few months, and we hope to see you there.
Wow, really interesting stuff, Gary. Thanks for that. Okay, I'd like to encourage everyone to look out for our next podcast, where we'll actually show you some of the construction leading up to the grand opening of the Innovation Center on July 20th. In the meantime, thanks for joining. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you soon.